Taken half large. Friends, welcome back to Talkative Anjali, and there you see my prep again. And so today what you're seeing is I have boiled potatoes, green chilies in this particular pot. Then there is raw peanuts. I've taken half large katori of peanuts. So out of this I'm going to use about one handful of peanuts for the chutney along with curd, and which will be served with the chutney will be served with the sabudana vadas that I'm making and sabudana. So what we are going to do is I'm going to first get the shengdana or the peanuts roasted so that I can powder it and you add it to the sabudana along with the potatoes, and then shape and fry the sabudana vadas. And whereas also the roasted peanuts will be useful for the chutney. So I will get going and doing that. Since this is a upwas recipe, we do not use cilantro. I have seen a lot of people using cilantro, but in our this tradition we do not use cilantro for fasting foods. Again, my family doesn't fast, but we enjoy the fasting foods. So I have toasted the peanuts in the microwave for about 2-3 minutes. 3 minutes in total, and then the potatoes are peeled, the green chili is chopped, and so now what I will do is I will wait for the peanuts to cool because they are still hot, and then I will coarse grind them. So now I have removed the skins and powdered the peanuts. They have actually been powdered a little more fine than I wanted them, but that's fine. We can still use it to effect. I would have liked it a little bit more coarser. And so I'm adding the peanut powder here now into the potatoes. That's the peanut chutney that I'm making with curd. So taken all the peanut powder, adding the sabudana. Sabudana is being fluffed up nicely. Usually I soak the sabudana overnight, but today I soaked it this morning at around 9 o'clock, and now it is almost 12 o'clock, so about 3 hours, which is good enough. Now mix nicely. I had boiled and frozen the potatoes, so they are a little squishy. The peanut powder will absorb any moisture if at all. The amount of potatoes is almost volume wise equivalent to the sabudana. It's feeling nice and squishy. that can be shaped into patties. I'm going to leave it to rest a little bit like this and then shape the patties. I just realized I have to add salt to this, so I'll go to add salt and then leave it for resting. To this particular amount of dough, I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt. It should be good. I will taste it after mixing and then adjust if required. Allowing it to rest. Which we have made in the beginning. Now it looks nicely, melded together. I'm going to shape the vadas, and then I have also started the oil to be heated, and then we will fry it. I'm going to make flat vadas. Ideally, I mean, round vadas is what we prefer, but because we have taken limited amount of oil, since we do not want to waste a lot of it, I will flatten the vada. We'll have to keep the phone away. So I have shaped the vadas and put 4 of them in the oil for frying. I'm frying only 4 at a time, don't want to overcrowd the oil, and this will be fried on medium. Let them cook properly, do not hurry and try to turn them over. They are immersed in oil, so not a problem. There's no need to turn them over just to make them fit in the oil. Wait until they become a little redder. So the vadas have been frying for a while, and now I'm going to turn them over because we know that they will not break. Let them fry a little bit more to match the redness that we have achieved from here. And I've finished up all the dough, so you see that. So those are the vadas that I have fried and removed on the side, and peanut powder gone into the curd, mixing it. I'm not adding any chili or anything. If you want a spicy chutney, you can do that. Add a little bit of salt to the chutney. I'm using pink salt for this chutney. Second batch inside the oil. Looks like I can turn over. Let them redden. That's a good vada. Lunch is served. All the sabudana vadas are fried and brought to the table, and now we are sitting down. So here we have sabudana vada, peanut chutney, curd in the bowl, fried sabudana vadas and cut fruits. Thank you for watching. See you again.